A tortilla in Spain is a little different than what you may be commonly used to from the Latin American tortilla. In Latin America, tortillas are made with corn or flour and used as a vessel to make tacos, enchiladas, and numerous other things. In Spain, tortilla is really an egg omelet with potatoes, olive oil, and sauteed onions. It's important that you use a good quality olive oil. I don't use 100% extra virgin in my recipe. You can do that for sure. I cut it with 50% vegetable oil, like a canola. A sunflower works really nicely because that's a very neutral flavored oil. You can still get that extra virgin olive oil flavor, which is important in this dish. Now, it makes a great breakfast, but what I love about Spanish tortilla is that it's served at room temperature. So it's a great option if you're serving breakfast for a large group of people, or if you're having a party and you need something that can sit out for a little while and you don't have to worry about it getting cold. Spanish tortilla is an excellent option. Traditionally, the dish is made with eggs, potatoes, onions, and olive oil. Now, I like to add some link sausage and sun-dried tomatoes to mine, but you can definitely leave those out if you prefer. My name's Chef Jeremy with Lineage Culinary, and today we are making Spanish tortilla. Brown sausage and set aside. Heat your oil on medium and cook thinly sliced yellow onions for 10 minutes. While the onions cook, slice your potatoes. Add your potatoes and cook until they're soft and have some browning on the outside. Crack open the eggs in a large mixing bowl, but don't stir yet. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the potatoes and onions into the bowl with the eggs. Shake off the oil as you do this. Now be sure to strain and save that olive oil. You want to let that cool. You can place that in an airtight container and hold that at room temperature and use that again. That oil will be infused and have a nice cooked onion note. Cover for 15 minutes. Uncover and season with salt and black pepper. Don't be afraid to get a nice big pinch on the salt. Now add the sausage and sun-dried tomatoes, and now you stir just enough to break up the yolks and coat everything. Heat a tablespoon of our reserved oil and add our mixture to the pan. Spread so it's even and allow that to cook. Cook until the eggs have set and you have some browning on the potatoes. Okay, now for the flip, and this is probably the most difficult part of the recipe. So what I like to do is use a flat surface like a plate or a pizza tin that covers the pan, because you're going to flip that over and then you're going to want to slide your tortilla back into the pan relatively quickly because there's still going to be some uncooked egg on top. Now, I don't have a really flat plate here at my house. Most of my plates have kind of a lip on them, and that can cause the tortilla to catch. You want something that'll slide off of easily. So what I'm using in this video is a sheet tray flipped upside down. You can really use whatever you want. You just want to make sure you have a flat surface. Place your pan on top, and now flip. Now moving quickly, you want to place your pan back onto the heat and then slide the tortilla into the pan. I like to use a spatula here. I think that works best. Shake that to make sure it's even and finish cooking on the other side. Now, if you're not comfortable flipping in the pan, you can place your entire pan into a 350-degree oven and continue cooking until the eggs are set on the top and the center. But I would highly recommend you learn to do the flip. I mean, honestly, that's the most fun part of this recipe, and you'll get a better looking tortilla if you do it that way. Finish in the pan till the eggs are set, brown on the bottom, and a toothpick comes out clean from the inside. Now we're going to flip the tortilla again out of the pan and let that rest at room temperature for 15 minutes. Once rested, slice into wedges and you're ready to serve. And there you have it, Spanish tortilla. Now I like to serve mine on top of a little bit of greens, so either some spinach or some arugula. I like to garnish with some fresh herbs. Some creme fraiche goes nicely on top, some sliced chives, and certainly some type of hot sauce or sriracha always works well too. If you'd like the full recipe, visit our website at lineageculinary.com. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What type of information would you like us to cover? My name's Chef Jeremy with Lineage Culinary, and thank you for watching.